This is the elevator at the brand new UPMC Primary and Specialty Care at the old Avalon Hotel, which is now being turned into apartments in Erie, Pennsylvania. This is a brand spanking new Otis HydroFit MRL elevator. This elevator was just installed. This is where the inside lantern chime work, but not the outside. The garage is the other way around. Just weird. Go down the garage, still the lady from the alarm, the phone, and the call cancel. This elevator just enters like less than a month ago in February. Here we go down. Or maybe about a month at this point. This place just opened, but the apartments are still under construction. The elevator's there. They're still the original 70s Otises. Probably won't be for long though. Here's the garage. Back up to one. This pit access door in the garage. It's a basic Otis cab. I wonder if the actual building's gonna get this cab too. It almost looks like an AHN cab, but this is UPMC. Go back at one. It's slow. Speaking of the doors, if you notice, what's very strange is this does not have an ordinary Otis drop key. It has a crescent key like you would find on a Schindler. Very strange. I've never seen that on an Otis before. That's gonna be it.